Our company started with this premise that we replace the irreplaceable. Our opportunity is how do we then evolve or continue to evolve our story so that we are relevant to these new generations. We had a lot of data. What we wanted to do is better utilize that data and be more nimble in how we were able to adjust our communication to our customers.
The search was not for a marketing automation platform, it was more to help us with segmenting our customers as well as connecting our offline resources with the online communication that we have. And what Emarsys brought in was a combination of not just segmenting and understanding your customer behavior, but also communicating with them. We expected it to be a lot more expensive compared to the features that were being offered.
We knew that this would be the opportunity for us. The fact that the company has been in business for quite a number of years, you knew that there was quality there. There were references that we could go to, and we did go to validate the performance of the tool itself. But it was the connection we were able to make on the human level, knowing that the team was going to be there lockstep.
In the past, we have our in-house system and everything is homegrown, and that's how we've been sending out emails. But predominantly it's been a batch and blast approach.
We weren't able to really segment our customer base. We weren't able to zero in on a specific group of customers that we wanted to target easily. The biggest complaint I think we all had was that they were extremely slow. It took forever to get our communications out to our customers. We were constantly trying to improve our system, but we could just never get it fast enough.
We wanted to have a more tailored communication to our customers and be more personalized. We could have built it, it's just it would have taken us longer, but to have it now, that's where Emarsys came in.
That does not happen now with Emarsys. I mean, those emails can go out in 10 minutes.
The machine learning piece, which is there behind Emarsys, helped in segment those customers, also give their future revenue potential, and also it brought in a capability to do data science work without having to have a data scientist. So the tool, I would say, empowered the marketing team to do things that they were good at doing, which was basically the creative part.
By implementing Smart Insight, replacements can now rely on AI-driven data science to create more accurate email campaigns in far less time. This allows the replacements marketing team to focus their energy on content, strategy, and creative, not on the technology.
We've been able, just since implementation, to create the various trigger emails, the abandoned cart email, the post-purchase, and the browse abandoned email series, and all of those have brought us incremental revenue that we did not have and we were not able to really achieve prior to coming on with Emarsys.
So we have been able to reduce our volume by about 50% without losing any revenue by communicating to our more engaged customers. We have seen some very good results based on the cost of implementation and the cost associated with our monthly fees. We have already paid for the platform for the rest of the year.
I think the opportunity before us is immense, and I think with the partnership with Emarsys, it will allow us to be better marketers. The data that we're starting to collect, analyze, and understand within the tool will make us better for our customers.